Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma ni dawayo ya ka thaw chna ya ki LED bulb ka watip kam ka LED bulbs assembling unit ka WM hahawa khana tura. Ya gani ka thaw pandai ya ki benta ki ni ki LED bulb dale hapo ya khmat ka GHE Impact Ventures PVT Ltd ka wadiyo ya kerchan na ka sarkar jilla. Konrad hawa ya gani ka thaw da ongu wa gani man go kam chi benta wo lai chakman pen em kam da ki mar ki wam pengkhia ye em kam boarding I de pen chluri we de le I wo wanra ye lat wo pen em kam da ki mar ki wa khoi ki wam kta ya garam au da ongu Konrad de wa pen rap wa gani LED assembling unit hatura to go nyngkong dooh hapo ka jalla we daw sedang ya kale chkiwi ki thaw Dekan tu ya ki pajba ka Meghalaya wo pen em kam ya ki ni ki bol wa de pen mi hapo ka jalla de wo bu ha ki yung ki sem wa ki thaw kre yo pen chlur ya ki wasengki waro da em pra pausan ngut ki kan thai wa chenrang ki wa da kre wa ka GHE Impact Ventures ha ka ni ka assembling unit.
We are here in Thura today where the first LED assembling unit has been set up by an organization called GHE. This is of course a first step towards many more to come, where we are encouraging and trying to build up the ecosystem to promote clean energy and efficient energy. And the LED assembling unit that we have here will be now also replicated in other parts of the state. And we hope that this made in Meghalaya product or assembled product in Meghalaya will be used in extensive way in different departments, houses and organizations, and I encourage everyone that they should promote by using this. It's not only for promoting the organization and the work that they're doing, but more importantly for even your personal consumption and savings. This will play a big role, and the most beautiful part is that these are products that are being assembled here in Meghalaya and are being assembled by our own local boys and girls who have been trained to make this. Almost 85 boys and girls are now involved in GHE, and with the CM Solar Mission coming up, we expect that more and more of our boys and girls will be now involved in different programs like these. And we hope that in the days to come, not only the LED lights but also the batteries and other products required for clean energy, that we will be able to slowly and steadily produce and manufacture here in Meghalaya itself. So I congratulate GHE, I congratulate the entire team, I congratulate our boys and girls who are manufacturing this and assembling this, and I once again encourage all of you to use these products in a way to promote the unit, as well as to also save power and improve the efficiency at your individual houses also. Thank you very much.